Good morning, children. Welcome to your online class of EVS. Children, as you all know that our chapter number 5 explanation is complete now and we are in exercise of this question. So, without wasting too much time, let's start our exercise of chapter number 5. Our first question is choose the correct answers. In that question, there are given three options of each question and you have to select one right option. The first question is ants have dash legs. That means how many legs an ant have. And the options are 4, 5 and 6. And right option is 6. So you have to write 6 on this space and mark out right on this option also. And the second one is what kinds of eatables attract ants? Yes, you all know that ants attract from the sweet eatables. So you have to write the mark on the sweet. And the third question is which of these live like honeybees and ants? And the options are termites, wasps and both. And the termites and wasps both are live just like honeybees and ants. So our answer is both. Dash bees lays eggs in hive. Yes. And according to the explanation, now you all know that the queen bee lays eggs in hive. So our right answer is queen among the all three options. Now the fifth one is dash ants guard the nest. Yes, and our options are queen, soldier and worker, and answer is worker bees. And now the sixth one is lychee trees comes flowers in the month of dash, and the options are February, May and December, and our answer is February. Now we are in question number 2 and the question is fill in the blanks with suitable words. In that question there will be given the helping box also. You have to select the options from the helping box and fill on the fill-ups. So the first fill-up is every child has the dash to free education up to class 8, and the answer is right to free education. And the second one, dash bees have no special role as worker, and the option is male bees. Male bees have not shown any special kind of work in a beehive. Now the third statement is worker bees collect dash from one flower to another, and the answer is nectar. Yes, they collect nectar from the flowers. And the next statement is worker bees make the dash and look after the dash bees, and answers are hive. They make hive for the honeybees, the all group, and look after the baby bees also. And the last statement is dash eatables attracts ants. Yes, I think you all know that sweet is the answer. Sweet eatables attracts on the all the honeybees. And the third question is match the column. For this, two columns are given here, column A and column B. In first column there are given the statements. According to these you have to match the right column from B. And the first is honeybee sting. Yes, the answer is pains a lot. And second one is 12 kg honey. Yes, 12 kilogram honey we collect from one box. And the third one is buzz. Buzz is the sound of a honeybee. And the fourth one is February. On the February month, lychee tree comes to flowers. And the last one, October to December, honeybees lays their eggs. Now the fourth question, state following statements true or false. The first one is, it is the right of every child to go to, sorry, there is some mistake, 2 is missing, O is missing here, to school, and the option is true. Yes, according to the RT Act 2009, that is every child's right to go school. Every bee have one queen bee which lays eggs. Yes, that is true. Now the third one, worker bees are not very important for the hive. That is false. Worker bees are very important for the hive. Soldier ants do not look after and guard the ants nest. Yes, that is false. Soldier ants have look after the and guards the ants nest. So that option is absolutely wrong. Queen ants lays eggs. Yes, I think you all know that queen ants lays eggs for the hive. That is true. Worker ants are always busy or looking for food and bringing it to next. That is true. Now we are in the question answer, and the first question is, what is Girl Star? Girl Star is a project of UNICEF which tells the extraordinary tales of ordinary girls who changed her life by going to school, just like Anita. Okay, where does Anita live? Anita lives in Bochaha village in Muzaffarpur district of Bihar. Now come on the next question. The third question is, who explained the importance of study to Anita's parents? One of the teachers in village explained the importance of study to Anita's parents. Yes, in our explanation, I have already explained you that one teacher came towards to Anita's parents and explained them that education is very important for every student. How did Anita continue her study? Yes, Anita started to teach young children to continue her own study. What did Anita to do learn? Beekeeping. Anita joined a course run by the government to learn beekeeping. When do honeybees lay their eggs? Yes, honeybees lay their eggs from October to December. Now the seventh question. Name some insects that you see near flowers. And the answer is, names of some insects that we see near flowers are as follows. And the insects are honeybee, bumblebee, butterfly, beetle, ladybird, mantis, pollen wasp. The all insects that we see near flowers. Okay, now we are in question number 8. Why do you think they come to flowers? They come to flowers for following reasons. And the number 1 is to suck nectar. Second one is to eat pollen, stamen or petals. And the third one is to eat other insects. Now the question number 9. Anita wants to become a wholesaler. Why? And the answer is, Anita wants to become a wholesaler so that she can help the villagers to get the right price for their honey, because most of the shopkeepers sell their honey in high prices. So Anita wants to get the right price for the honey and sold them in enough price to shopkeepers. So he chose the profession of honey keeping. Now the chapter is complete and we will meet on the next chapter in next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day.